Maximizing weight loss with vibration plates.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to talk about how to maximize your weight loss efforts using a vibration plate. It's important to use this tool effectively, as incorrect or excessive use can lead to unintended health problems.
What is a vibration plate?
Before we dive into the recommended duration, let's quickly explain what a vibration plate is. A vibration plate is a machine that produces high-frequency vibrations, causing involuntary muscle contractions in your body. These contractions are said to mimic the effects of exercise, and when combined with traditional exercise methods, can potentially lead to weight loss.
How long should I use a vibration plate for weight loss?
The question on everyone's mind is, how long should I use a vibration plate for weight loss? The answer depends on your fitness level and overall health. However, a general guideline suggested by fitness professionals is to use the vibration plate in short sessions, ranging from 10 to 15 minutes per day. This duration can be effective for weight loss when used in conjunction with a healthy diet and regular exercise. Remember, it's important not to overdo it. While it might be tempting to spend more time on the vibration plate in an effort to accelerate weight loss, prolonged exposure could lead to health issues, such as numbness, back pain, and even damage to joints.
Can I increase the duration?
For those wondering whether they can increase the duration of their vibration plate sessions, it's best to consult with a healthcare or fitness professional. Increasing the duration could potentially offer more benefits, but it also increases the risk of injury. Always prioritize your safety over quick results. In summary, vibration plates can be an effective tool for weight loss when used correctly. Stick to short sessions of around 10 to 15 minutes per day, and always remember to complement your efforts with a balanced diet and regular exercise. Hopefully, this information helps you on your weight loss journey. Stay healthy and safe, everyone.